21% of U.S. adults own smart speakers. U.S. households acquired 118.5 million smart speakers in 2018, 78% more than 2017. Voice is a fast-growing sales channel, helping businesses reach larger markets and reduce phone scheduling. With the skill from the VoiceDryCleaner.com, your customers can schedule pickups through Amazon Alexa. Then you receive a confirmation text message, which can be routed to a phone number or POS system. Pickup and delivery just got faster. Your customers will spend less time scheduling pickups using your Alexa skill. Frictionless compared to mobile applications and websites. They simply ask, no calling, typing, or reading. Customers can schedule pickups in the car, at home, or with their smartphone voice assistant. Bring your business to every home in the world with Amazon's Alexa. Alexa, enable Voice Dry Cleaner.